Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out of a MetaTrader 5 account. If you're using the MetaTrader 5 desktop app and want to remove an account from the platform, the process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly, so you can follow along without any confusion. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple trading accounts or sharing the same computer and want to keep your workspace organized. To begin, open the MetaTrader 5 desktop application. Once you're on the main dashboard, the first thing you need to access is the Navigator window. This is the panel that usually appears on the left-hand side of the screen by default. If you already see it there, you're ready to move on. If not, you can open it instantly by pressing Ctrl and N on your keyboard. The Navigator is an important section because it holds your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors in one place. Inside the Navigator window, look for the section labeled Accounts. This area shows the trading accounts that are currently available in your platform. If the Accounts section is collapsed, simply expand it so you can view the list underneath. You may see multiple accounts here if you've logged in before, so it's important to identify the correct one before making any changes. Now find the specific account you want to sign out of. Take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have more than one account listed. Once you've found it, click on that account to highlight it. This step helps ensure you're not accidentally removing an active trading account you still need. After selecting the account, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Delete. This will remove the selected account from the platform, which is effectively how you sign out of that MetaTrader 5 account on the desktop app. Once deleted, it will no longer appear in your Navigator list or be actively connected to the platform session. And that's it. The account will no longer appear as active in your platform once it has been deleted from the Navigator list. At this point, your workspace is clean and only shows the accounts you actually want to use, which makes switching between them much easier. As a quick tip, deleting the account from this list does not mean the trading account itself is permanently closed with your broker. It simply removes it from your MetaTrader 5 desktop app, so if you ever need to access it again later, you can log back in using the account credentials through the usual login process. This means your funds and trading history remains safe with your broker. This is a useful method if you're switching between accounts, cleaning up old logins, or just making sure the right account is available on your device. Keeping your platform organized can also help reduce mistakes when placing trades. So, to recap, open the Navigator window with Ctrl and N. If needed, expand Accounts. Select the account you want to remove. Right-click it and choose Delete. Following these steps ensures a clean and simple way to manage your MetaTrader 5 accounts. That's all you need to do to sign out of a MetaTrader 5 account on the desktop app.